And it's a new, well, it says on it, dust collector. So let's have a look. Okay, sorry about that. English plug, good. I should have said British plug. That's the hose thing. Okay. For the top, yes, for the top. Filter one, two, and I think there should just be one in here anyway. Oh, look. Oh. And instructions. Yep. Oh, luckily for me, in English. I'll get rid of you, box. Okay. I'll put it down in the comments how much I paid for it, because I can't remember offhand. Okay. Oh. That's that one. Another one. Oh, that's Diddy, isn't it? Oh, Diddy. Let's see what you want in. Okay. Put that down there. Any which way? Oh, probably the way that you just took it out. No, that way. Snug. Okay, so it says all different ways you can do it. Put that down there. I didn't, did he? Now then, that went back there. But if I do that, that's a normal one, I should imagine. Yeah. And then you've got this one, like this. But got that little thing. Can you see that little thing here? You've got this tube. I've got to push it back down there, I suppose I have, haven't I? Yeah. Oh. I'm assuming I'm doing this right, because okay. I don't know whether I said, but I pushed that from the other side until it went clunk, and then it was in. So let's plug you in, see what you do. Oh, it'll go light. LED. That's good, isn't it? Comes up nice under. Okay, switch that off, don't need that. See how noisy you are. It's alright for home, I think. Okay. And then you can maybe pull it up a bit, and then you can go whichever way you want, I suppose. Can you see that? Yeah. Whether you can hear me, I'm just going to try this. See if it works. Oh, I've just shut it off. They're very sensitive, aren't they? Right then, let's give it a go, shall we? Okay, can you see that? I think so. Reading these on the label. Let's see if you can see.